In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop sharing Instagram stories on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app and then tap right here at this plus as if you want to create a story. Then at the top right corner, you can easily find that gear. You need to tap on it. That's where we can easily find story settings. And then if we scroll down at the very bottom, we can easily find share your story on Facebook. This option allows us to automatically share our Instagram stories as our Facebook stories. And if you want to turn this off, just hit at this button to deactivate it. Then go back for a step, and in here, don't forget to hit at done to apply the changes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.